Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 24-inch mid-century modern fixed height counter stool. This is going to be a 1-month review video. So let's get into it and I'll show you how it looks and all the features, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you can see the color is a walnut color, and then the fabric is a light gray fabric. A great feature about this chair is that it swivels. So it goes 360 degree swivel, and it has a place to put your feet on the bottom here. So this stands about 34 inches tall. So this is how the back looks. Nice modern back. The cushion is nice and soft yet firm, and even in the seat cushion is nice and soft and firm. So you can see that I'm sitting down on the stool. I'm nice and relaxed. It fits my body perfectly. It's a nice angle to it, and then I'm able to put my foot on the footrest and still be comfortable. I'm even able to lean back without worrying about falling. So this chair is nice and elegant and it fits my style. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great bar stool to have in your kitchen. I like how modern it looks. I like the walnut wood color and the gray fabric material. I also like how it has the footrest to rest your feet, and I like how the chair swivels so you're able to move the chair around if you need to talk to somebody that's behind you. So this is a great buy. Thanks for watching.